Hey everybody, it's Scott, Simcoe Spring Service, and today we're going to be doing a 2-inch lift kit on a fifth wheel camper trailer. Yes, that's what I said. So when the customer went to hook up his brand new camper trailer to his nice Dodge Ram 3500 diesel pickup truck, the trailer was a little bit low. So we're going to lift it up 2 inches so he gets a little bit more clearance for his box, so when he goes around a corner he doesn't break his lights or anything like that, or crush his cab corners in. The first thing we need to do is measure up the U-bolts. So U-bolts are 9/16 in diameter. They're 3 inches in between the legs, and they're 6 3/4 inches long. So we're gonna have to make them 2 inches longer. So when we put the blocks in here, they'll actually work. So that'll be 6 3/4, 7 3/4, 8 3/4. So we'll write that down. Now I can't fit an air gun in here, and these are garbage anyway, so I'm just gonna chop them off. So just remember, every single time that you jack up a camper trailer, everything is like super stable. It's not sketch at all. Never mind. Leave your fifth wheel trailer hooked up to your pickup truck and use it as a stabilizer so that your trailer doesn't fall over when you jack it up. And now we jack it up. And we got to put our blocks in. Perfect. There we go. So you need to get this all put together correctly. You want to make sure that your spring is on top of your equalizer and that your shackles are pointing up the way. It's kind of sketch, but once you get everything together, you can get the spring into your block and your block into your axle. And now we can put the rest of it back together. We can manufacture some U-bolts, put them in, tighten them, and yeah, then we can set the vehicle down. We're pretty much done. I'm going to take my handy dandy air ratchet, and this baby will go up to about 55 foot-pounds, and then we'll torque it up to 120. So now that we got the U-bolts tightened, now we're going to actually let it down. So there you go, guys, 2-inch lift blocks in a camper trailer. Who would have thought? So yeah, I don't really like to put in blocks that are higher than 2 inches because I find it's not stable enough, and I find the U-bolts can't hold them in. There's too much torque and leverage on them and stuff like that. So yeah, a 2-inch block is nice. Lifts it up a little bit, gets a little bit more level to the truck. And a little bit of thunderstorm coming in. All right, have a good day, and I'll catch you next time.